Past continuous.
They were watching TV at 9:30 last night.
We use the past continuous to talk about being in the middle of an action at a time in the past. We form the past continuous positive with was or were and the ing form. We form the past continuous negative with wasn't or weren't and the ing form. We form yes-no questions in the past continuous with was or were and the ing form.
Was he eating a sandwich? Were you looking for me? What were they doing at 8 p.m?
We form short answers like this.